Honorable Speaker Lok Sabha Shri Birla Ji, Honorable Minister of State, Ministry of Development of Northeastern Region and the Ministry of Cooperation, Shri B.L. Verma Ji, Honorable Member of Manipur Assembly, Shri K. Raghumani Singh Ji, Honorable Members of Manipur Legislative Assembly, my colleague, Additional Secretary Shri Prasenjit Singh Ji. It is indeed an honor for me to extend a warm welcome to the Honorable Speaker Lok Sabha, Shri Om Birla Ji, Honorable Minister of State, Shri B.L. Verma Ji, Shri Raghumani Singh Ji, and newly elected Honorable Members of Manipur Legislative Assembly to the orientation program being organized by Parliamentary Research and Training Institute for Democracy's PRIDE. At the outset, let me congratulate all newly elected members, and I notice a recent colleague in the Lok Sabha Secretariat in your midst, on their election to the august House of the People of Manipur, and wish you Godspeed as you embark upon the journey in the service of the people of your beautiful state. It has been a constant endeavor of Honorable Speaker Shri Om Birla Ji to see that all elected representatives of people, whether in the parliament, the state legislatures, or even in the panchayats and urban local bodies, are well versed in the rules of conduct of business of the respective elected bodies, practices and procedures that govern House proceedings, the rich and valuable array of precedents that have accumulated over the years and continue to guide our presiding officers and members. A sound knowledge and understanding of the Constitution, laws, rules and precedents is critical to an orderly conduct of business in the houses of legislature and to holding of well-informed debates, so critical to the formulation of laws and policies in the best interest of the common people. This relentless pursuit on the part of Honorable Speaker Lok Sabha and active cooperation of Honorable Members has led to, barring a few aberrations, attainment of more than 100% productivity in the business of the present Lok Sabha, largest numbers of sittings in recent times, highest numbers of participation of members in debates, and enactment of largest numbers of people-centric legislation. Perhaps there is a lesson there for all legislators and presiding officers to ponder and consider. I am aware that Legislative Assembly of Manipur has had a rich legislative tradition and a legacy of orderly conduct of business. I am sure that the orientation program organized by PRIDE will provide new perspectives and insights to members of the Manipur Assembly, about 1/3 of whom are first-time members, which may eventually help further enrich quality of participation in the proceedings of your House. I am happy to inform the honorable members of the Legislative Assembly that the 3-day orientation program will include interactive sessions on relevant topics such as process of legislative and financial business in Parliament, parliamentary privileges, question hour, importance and participation, committee system, soul of parliamentary democracy, and good governance and parliamentary oversight. The faculty will comprise of distinguished parliamentarians and experienced officers of the Lok Sabha Secretariat. A conducted tour of the Parliament chambers, the library and Parliament Museum has been planned. I am certain that members will find the visit very informative and exciting. I would like to once again welcome all our distinguished dignitaries to the Parliament of India with the sincerest hope that the honorable members of State Assembly of Manipur will have a vibrant interaction in the course of their orientation program and a pleasant stay in Delhi. Thank you. Jai Hind.